Hello students, let us learn today the nested loop. This concept is most important concept. Let us first understand the definition. After that, let us understand how it executes. और उसके बाद हम देखेंगे exam. So let us learn first point, that is a definition. What is nested loop? The loop is placed inside the another loop is known as a nested loop. आपने एक लूप लिखा और उसके अंदर आप दूसरा लूप स्पेसिफाई कर रहे हो, then this concept is known as a nested loop. For example, हमारे पास एक लूप है I is equals to 1, I less than is equals to 5 और I plus plus. और we write the another loop inside this, that is for j is equals to 1, j less than is equals to 5, j plus plus. So loop inside another loop is known as a nested loop. अभी how it works, how it executes, वो समझना है. तो फिर पहले आउटर लूप के बारे में देखिए क्या है. फॉर ईच आउटर लूप इट रन्स सम नंबर ऑफ टाइम. हियर आउटर लूप मीन्स I will be run for some number of time. So that is I equals to 1, I is equals to 2, 3 up till 5. What about the inner loop? Let us understand. For each outer loop iteration, inner loop runs completely. For example, जब I की वैल्यू 1 होगी तब J की वैल्यू 1, 2, 3, 4 और 5. मतलब it runs completely for each iteration of I. Again जब I is 2, then J will be run 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times. So that is the rule most important for this inner loop. That for each outer loop iteration, inner loop runs completely. अगर I का वैल्यू 1 है तो J completely run करेगा I का 1 इटरेशन के लिए. उसके बाद ही जब I 2 होगा तो फिर से J 1 से लेके 5 तक चलेगा. फिर I की वैल्यू 3 हुई, then J will be for from 1 to 5 again. So for each iteration of I, J loop runs completely. Second point is syntax. So what is the syntax of this nested loop? So here you can see first 4, then we have initialization, condition and increment. That is a basic syntax. Inside the curly bracket of first outer loop, we write the another inner loop. उसके लिए भी same syntax. फिर आएगा inner loop के statements. We complete the inner loop and then we complete the outer loop. So nested loop, that means not only we can use only the for loop. आप कोई भी loop का combination कर सकते हो. For with while with the do while, for with while. So or you can make while inside the while. Okay, you can make the combination of any loop. So generally nested loop का use क्या होता है? Then we can say nested loop are generally used where you want to print the data in a grids or the matrices, or you want to just print the patterns, just 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, or you want to make the combinations or the pairs or multi-level comparison. So आपके पास एक 1 से लेके 10 तक के डेटा है, आपको कंपेयर करना है which one is the highest one. So here we require a multi-level comparison. So for doing this task, we require this nested loop. Now let us understand this with the example. Suppose we want to print the output like this way. Here we can see there are few stars, row wise and column wise. So we have 4 rows and 4 columns. So we want to just print this pattern. So what we can use? Obviously we have this nested loop concept. So यहाँ पे हमको समझना है कि nested loop कैसे वर्क करता है. So here you can see we have written for I is equals to 1, less than equals to 4, I plus plus. That means I will be 1, 2, 4. I की वैल्यू 1 से स्टार्ट होगी, कहां तक जाएगी? 4 तक. Same way J is equals to 1, less than equals to 4, J plus plus. J will start from 1 and go to the 4. So जब भी आप नेस्टेड लूप की बात करते हो तो आउटर लूप जो होता है हियर दैट इज द आई विच रिप्रेजेंट्स द रो, और जो भी इनर लूप है दैट इज जे विच रिप्रेजेंट द कॉलम्स. सो इफ वी trace this program, then we will get this kind of representation. So let us understand this. If we talk about this row, then row is represented by the I, and if we talk about the column, then column is represented by the J. So if we talk about the first iteration of I, for each iteration of I, J will run completely. So for J, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I remain 1. At the same time, J will be changed. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this combination is known as a first row and first column. This combination is known as a first row and second column. The same way, this combination is known as a fourth row and first column. And this one is fourth row and fourth column. So let us trace this program. Here we have the I. Let us be more clear with the help of the tracing. Here it's an J. सबसे पहले I का value हुआ 1. Cursor will go inside. It will start the J. So J's value will be 1. J will completely run. So here the condition is less than 4. So it will print the star. So we'll get the star at the 1, 1 position. Now J plus plus. J's value is 2. Condition is true. So it will print the second star. The same way J's value is 3. J's value is 4. When the J will be 5, this loop will stop. And it will go with for I plus plus. So after that the value of I will be 2. Again it will go inside. So J will be 1. So J ki value hui 1. And this is going to repeat again and again until we get the I is equals to 5. When we get the I 5, this all the loop will be stop executing. So this is the concept of nested loop. Let us do the practical and understand this theory. Okay, so let us start doing the program. First, let us have the 4. I is equals to 1. I less than is equals to 4. I plus plus. We have not declared the I, so let us declare the I first. Now let us print the value of I for the sake of learning that what values we are getting. So obviously we will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need, so here we will have the 4 row, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We want the column, so we will write the second loop, that is J. J is equals to 1, J less than or equals to 4, J plus plus, and we are going to print this I. Let us declare the J, and here I am giving the space. Okay, now let us run this program. So how many times you are getting 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 and 4, 4, 4. But for each row, when the row is finished, I की value 1 होगी, J 4 column complete करेगा. उसके बाद let us write the slash n. So हमको पता चलेगा कि कितनी rows generate हुई. So here you can see first row, second row, third row and fourth row. We are getting all 4 rows and 4 columns. But here instead of 1, 1, 1, we want the star. So you are getting this value as a star, 4 row and 4 column. So I will generate the rows where the J will generate the columns. Now suppose we want here J's value. हमको क्या print करवाना है? J की value. So you can exactly understand the tracing. So every time J will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us print both the values so you can understand कि I का value क्या मिलता है और J का value क्या मिलता है. So let us use this parenthesis so you can exactly understand. Okay, so first time I is 1, at that time J is 1. Row is fixed, that is I की value fix है, पर J की value क्या हो रही है? Change. Here I is 1 but J is changing. I is 1 but J is changing. So J complete run हो गया, J की value 5 हो गई. Then inner loop will be stopped and it will print the slash n. So cursor आ जाएगा new line पे. फिर होगा I plus plus, तो I की value मिला 2. देखो यहाँ पे we are getting 2. Now again J का loop फिरेगा, so it will iterate, start iterating. So again 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this way, if you want to print the data rows and column wise, then you can use this nested loop.